على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
Oh, mashallah, you got two tables now. Female and male. Yeah. Victoria, thank you so much for your help. Huh? Thank you.
Enough is enough. We fed up. We fed up seeing our children getting slaughtered in front of our eyes. We fed up from the siege. We fed up from not being able to enter into our land.
And it just shows you how long this has been going on for, and we've been fighting this fight for so long. And it's exhausting when people don't care or when they don't believe you. I've been sick